Welcome to IsThvtJazmine Reactions. We're going to be listening to OMG Shine, Railroad. Now we're on the railroad, friend.
Slam, yeah. Let go. Feel like the railroad trick. Can't watch me, cause I was dead. Nigga twin, quarterback sex. He not cooking no shit, that's slack. That's real nigga, but that's fast. They sticking around like gnats. Can I show you how they count up the racks? Can I show you how to walk up in sex?
I'm gonna show you how to count them rags, show you how to run up in sex.
I ain't try no tearing it. Bigger than me, still not fearing it. White blood fisher, they got a beer in it. Nigga, we up next, baby, cheering it. Come to a boy, then the nigga steering it. Period. Got swag my side.
Okay.
Black shade, Mary J. Blige.
You said Black Shade's Mary J. Blige. I know that's right.
I think that one of my slides.
Okay.
They stand my rise. Should've took that shit as a sign.
He said you should took that as a sign.
Only one. When it's broken hearts, only count to one. I can't run all the way, I think I am the same. I keep turning this shit up, but baby, I just begun. Now don't shit, Jack. Flawless, your nigga, you notice that. You hate it, I just kinda stack.
You said I just count the stacks. Look, keep counting them stacks, friend. Keep counting the stacks.
I don't like that, girl, just take. Kicked up, make a nigga jet leg. I don't flex, but they might break. Got your bitch in the back, her bag. I ain't know your name. Feel like a railroad track. He watch me count with stacks. Nigga twin, quarterback sex. He not cooking no shit, that's slack. That's real nigga, but that's fast. Fuck one on. Fast soldier nigga, I'm still bleeding. I might spear in the back, they see me. Shawty won't love, so she not leaving. Black shades off, so what am I seeing? I said the box, they change out the season. They put out all black, come be for no reason. Still in this shit, it might be a reason. I told him I hater, he told me they reason. The chicken in bright, little bitch, it's freezing.
Okay.
Freeze. Go. Nigga, fuck going on.
Okay.
What's the Billy Jean just walking up? Swag up.
Okay, I get that 9 out of 10. Look, friend, put us a video out now. That might have been a really cool video. Like, you still got time. You still got time. I would love to see a video for that. I really love the lyrics of the beat. I love that he got his own style and the way that he rap it. It's not like anybody else I ever heard. So I really, really enjoyed just listening to him, just in general. But overall, I love the lyrics of the beat. Friend, make us a video. So I give it a 9 out of 10.